Brentford just didn't turn up. I don't know if they're on holiday, international break. Toney Ivory, him, I don't know. The England call up, get to him head, and that boy, he sell out Jamaica. He should be playing for Jamaica. Come on, he should be. He ain't gonna get no game for England.
Hey, listen, he's getting called up. He might get some minutes in these friendlies coming up.
Come on, Jamaica been calling that guy a long time now. He's our third try striker. He ain't gonna get in the game with Harry Kane.
A lot of Jamaican and English players do tend to go to England when they get the call up. Like Sterling, shall we say?
But in his situation, he should have went for Jamaica. He would have make a better contribution to Jamaica.
With the performance today, I think we don't want to back in Jamaica.
Well, with that performance, I don't want him to Jamaica. You can stay in England.
No. I don't know. This is Jeremy Lynch, Jamaican international, straight out of Vietnam from Binding FC. And you're watching Eddie Vision. Please like, click, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Out.